In Material Management Module Training, third chapter Procurement Cycle. So we can call it as a procurement to payment process or procurement to payment cycle or P2B cycle. So these are all the different name using in our industry. So what is meant by procurement cycle? What is the purpose? So every organization that operates a business has to purchase materials such as the raw materials, services, etc. The procurement process has become part of today's efficient business operation. The company can procure those materials as in-house production or external procurement. So under the procurement cycle, we have 8 steps. The first one is start with determination of requirements, second one source determination, third one vendor selection, fourth one PO processing. PO is nothing but purchase order. Fifth one purchase order monitoring, sixth one goods receipt, seventh one invoice verification, eighth one payment processing. So we can see detailedly each and every process. So the first one is determination of requirements. The material requirements are identified by the user departments or material planning and then controlling departments. So this is about determination of requirements. So we are gathering the requirements, what is required for us. The second one is source determination. Identifies the potential source of supply. This is based on past order and existing long-term purchasing requirement. So the source is nothing but we are going to select or search the potential supplier in our industry or in our market. Third one is vendor selection. The selection of vendors by comparing the price of various quotations, sending the rejection letters for the non-selected vendors. So during the vendor selections, we need to compare the price quotation and then quality terms and then delivery terms. Other than that, entire terms and conditions with our customer and then vendor agreement. The fourth one is purchase order processing, creating purchase orders by including the vendor schedule agreement and contracts. Fifth one, purchase order monitoring, sending the reminders to vendors in predefined intervals, which were defined in our purchasing info record. So the sixth one, goods receipt and inventory management. Confirming the receipts of the goods, compare the goods receipt quantities with the purchase order quantities, inform the limit over or under deliveries of order goods. The limit over is nothing but we are receiving the invoice under numbers but our physical material against our invoice receiving 1 ton numbers. This is called limit over. Under deliveries is nothing but we are receiving the invoice 200 numbers but against our invoice we are receiving the material of 180 numbers, which means 20 numbers shortage. In industry terms or industry words, we can use excess and then shortage. The limit over is excess, under deliveries of order goods is shortage. The seventh one is invoice verification. Invoices are checked for the accuracy of prices and contents, nothing of quantity and price variances based on purchase order and goods receipt data. Eighth one is payment processing. Find accounting for vendor payments. So these are all the 8 steps is important in our procurement cycle. So now we are going to see the configuration about procurement cycle. So under procurement cycle in SAP system, we have 3 major topic. First one is RFQ. We can call it as the request for quotation or RFQ. The second one is PR, purchase requisition. Third one is purchase order. We can call it as a shortcut name of PO. Thank you.